क्या आपको idioms पसंद है? मुझे तो idioms बहुत पसंद है। चलिए आज सीखते हैं कलर से रिलेटेड, रंगों से रिलेटेड idioms। First one, out of the blue. Out of the blue means random or something which is without the warning. So the rain came out of the blue and I didn't have an umbrella. Second one, caught red-handed. Caught red-handed. To catch someone in the act of doing something. So if I say, he was caught red-handed while stealing my chocolates. Okay, so that is something, range haathon pakadna. Third one, green with envy. Green with envy means to be jealous. So Sia was green with envy while she saw my diamond necklace. Another one, tickled pink. टिकल पिंक यानी कि बहुत खुश, ओके, बहुत ज्यादा खुश। तो उस केस में क्या कह सकते हैं? आई वॉज टिकल्ड पिंक व्हेन माय न्यू SUV कार अराइव्ड। सो गाइज, स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर डेली idioms like this. Thank you. Bye bye.